you got going on this one?
We wanna start headers.
Uh-huh.
But we gotta fucking drop the whole differential, front differential.
Uh-huh.
Take out the transmission support. And I have to get the headers, but this car is gonna be a headache today. But
Got to get into those tight little spaces.
yeah, right there.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
But we got it, homie.
You got it?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to need some back support in a minute. Shit,
Oh,
goddamn.
hell yeah.
My back already feel like cramped
That's why
up.
I don't like to work in the horse. I gotta be like that.
Yeah.
Fuck it, this is what it is. Because
We need to be able to go a little higher.
yeah,
You too tall, man.
nah, fucking shot. It's too fucking short.
Get those cooked headers, guys. Man, this thing gonna
One.
sound like a beast when it's done, huh?
Oh yeah.
So these headers give it more horsepower?
A little bit.
Just
The
a little bit.
airflow is better. It's
Uh-huh.
a long header, so the flow it goes like it's better than the regular exhaust modifier.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be get like a 10-15 horsepower more.
Okay. And that matters, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but he got a tune it. It's not just like to put the header and you already got the power.
Uh-huh.
You got to tune it.
Okay.
Yeah, after that you see every car is different, maybe more, but around that 10-15.
That's out with the old. You don't need nothing else, nothing off the old exhaust.
Nah, because this one comes complete headers
Okay.
and the
Catalytic
mid
converter.
cut. Yeah, it already come with the catalytic converter.
What about
Legal.
the oxygen sensors? Do you keep those?
Oh, you know I gotta put the old ones in.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll come back and check on you.
All right.
6.1, baby. Got Hellcat motors just laying around the shop, ready to be in.
I understand.
This guy took this car apart and put it back together in a matter of 2 days,
No, a half day, dude.
a half a day.
Yeah.
He took this whole thing apart and put it back together. It's a hell of a technician.
You gotta do, man.
The innovation. You see it says innovation right there? Bigger pulley, more power, more horsepower. We got Escobar here today. We got Escobar here. You see her? She's here. Ready. Plateau Pomo. We also got this one right here. He's gonna get his dyno tuned today. You know what I'm saying? He a little dusty, but still got the power. 392 Hemi. You know what I'm saying? What did it say? Get the dyno stuff. Right there. Yeah. Disconnected, but got more on the way. That motor that you guys just seen, that one's for I was gonna say it was for this one, but I guess not. They do these motors so much that these cars, no need for an owner's manual. Knock them down, put them back together. Ooh, look at that. Yes.
Ya, no, yo me lo quito porque el pinche guante se me puede caer algo. Yeah, you know, brothers, this is how we do right here, and trying to be famous doing this shit, you know what I'm saying?
Huh?
And the motor is not original.
Oh. Shit. You see my video?
No.
What kind of engine is this? What kind of engine is this?
This is a 6.1.
What kind of car is it for?
6.1. This is for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. 2005, 6.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You guys upgraded it?
Crank, piston, cam. But it's just gonna be not like right here. If you come here, you can see it. 6.1.
There you go.